Hi everyone, thanks so much for joining me. My name's Susan Timchack and I am here to share an unboxing of my Creative Notions delivery, which came yesterday, and I've been a little bit out of sorts and under the weather, some issues going on, and we're currently having, well, I am having some workups to find out what all is going on. So I haven't really been feeling my best, but I've been resting pretty much all day. Today's Saturday, June 8th, and I wanted to come on up here and share the unboxing because I'm excited to open it up. Now, I didn't realize when it came yesterday, I had ordered some fabric, and I thought it was that. Dory, where are you trying to go? My little Dora's trying to come over and see too. She's excited. And so I kind of already cut it open. Then I saw the wrapping. I'm like, oh, that's not what I ordered my fabric from. This is my Creative Notions. So let's go ahead and open this up. And it's so tight in this priority mail envelope that I couldn't get it out of there. So that only means it's filled with lots of goodness. Okay, so here we go. And look how cute this is. I'm going to put this over there with all the cute little ice cream cones and everything. And I'm going to say, if you enjoy sewing, maybe you're not even a quilter. I'm not much of a quilter. I'm learning as I go. But these Creative Notion boxes, subscription boxes that you get every month, I mean, you really need to subscribe. Creative Notions is a great company. They're building their business and they're hoping to build it even more. So you really can help them out by go ahead and subscribing. And I'm sure there's information in here I can share with you, but it's Creative Notions. And they're just such nice people. So, ooh. Oh my goodness. This, I'm telling you, this is packed. Oh, look at all the stuff in here. Wow. Oh my goodness. I'm in love already. Oh wait, is there more? Okay, good. I don't know. Is there more? Like really, oops, out of camera. Can there be more? I don't think so. Look at this. I'm going to get a frame and I'm going to hang this on my wall. Enjoy the ride. Isn't that beautiful? These bicycles are really big now. So this is the June subscription box. So the theme this month is Sweet Sentiments. These good things are reflected in the beautiful fabrics we choose for you. Relax and enjoy your ride. Featuring Fox Farm by Melissa Mortensen for Riley Blake. You can find Melissa on her blog, The Polka Dot Chair. Isn't that cute? I love that. So this beautiful fabric features pretty teals and blues, pinks and gold, metallic. Ooh, love that. With an occasional little fox hidden in the fabrics. Well, isn't that fun? The panel included in this month box reminds us of the good and important things in life. We've included a special little gift to help you relax. Enjoy a good soak on us. See, I'm telling you, they're just such wonderful people. So here they have a YouTube channel. So they include a tutorial on how to make the quilt, which is so helpful for people like me that are so new to all of this quilting. And I'm not new to sewing, but I am new to quilting. So you can subscribe at www.creativenotionsquiltshop.com. Share your box and earn a free one. So, wow, that would be great. Here's a close-up of that if you want to take a screenshot of that. So the box value is $55. The fabric, you get one panel for $12, 4 fat quarters, $12. And if you don't know, a fat quarter is a quarter of a yard. So 4 of them together, of course, would be 1 yard. Art bin box. Ooh. Art bin twisters, set of 3. Matchbox quilt kit. And Pin Peddler's Antique Sewing Machine, which they do a monthly charm from Pin Peddlers. But unfortunately, we've been notified that that's soon going to be coming to an end because they're, I believe, and quote me if I'm wrong, is Pin Peddlers like not going to be doing them anymore? But they're going to be doing something really fun and better. So look forward to that. And look at their cute little want to call that? Their branding. That's it. Creative Notions. And it's this cute little vintage trailer. And I am so into these vintage trails. I actually have my bathroom. I was very excited when I went on to LTD, which that's a whole other thing. But I'm into all those quilts, those campers, vintage campers. So let's take a look. Okay, so we'll save the fabric for last because that looks very exciting. So Moda Matchbox Quilt. Oh, how fun is this? Let's see what it says on the back. And I opened it up. Number 8, series of 9 mini quilts. Collect them all. So you get fabrics for quilt top, back, binding, embroidery floss, batting, and instructions. And it's a 6x6. So isn't this great for someone like me who's a beginner? And look at how cute. You make this little tiny quilt. And here's some embroidery floss. Let's see which one I got here. This is really fun. I really like this. And look at, it's a panel. And look at how cute it is. There's your directions. Oh, this is stinking cute. I love this. I can't wait to make that. This is something definitely that I'm going to do. And I'll be sure to share it when I do. Maybe for the next unboxing. So let's put this back. Now this is made by Moda. And I'm going to tell you, the fabric that Creative Notions uses is not your cheapy fabric. Not that there's anything wrong with Joann's or any of those places, but this is quality fabric. So this is going to be a lot of fun. I appreciate that. Thank you. Now I think this is my little special gift. And look at the beautiful tag. I mean, they just really go through so many things. This is one of those bath bombs. And let's see what it says under here. They really go out of their way. Something to help you relax because you're the bomb. And isn't that cute? What a great shower idea, too. Oh, I love that. I'm really going to enjoy that. And really, the way I've been feeling lately, that is just going to help so much. Now look at these. These are twisters. Twisters? So let's open this up and check it out. Let's see what this is. Their little container. Oh my goodness, look at their little containers. I don't know where you guys find these things. And look, they twist off. So you can put all your little notions, all of them will twist off. And they all hook together and they stand. I love that. Art bin. I mean, you can use this for other things too. You can use it for eyelets and brads and buttons and, whatever you want to put in there. That's super cute. I love that. Thank you. All right, what do we have here? Here is a 4x6 photo and supply box. Wow. How cool was that? And if you don't know, I am a demonstrator with Stampin' Up, so that's right up my alley. You can take your photos of the quilts you make and keep them in here. And I love these little mesh bags. Let's see what goodies we have in here. Ooh, and I see some taffy. Ooh, I could really go for some chocolate right about now. And there, look, a chocolate one. So I got 2 little taffies. Well, they aren't going back in that. They're going to go right up there. And look at the cute little charm. It's a little sewing machine. Isn't that stinking cute? I love these. So this is a collectible charm. And it says we also make custom pins, charms, and more. So that is so cute. And I love this little box. I mean, you can use this for so many things. Easily holds up to 100 4x6 photos. Wow. Secure latch. And that does click right into place. I love that. Oh, I'm going to get a lot of use out of that. Now, what we've been waiting for, the fabric. Look at the little tie on here. They're like little sheep. Take that off. They're like, the fabric has little sheep on there. So cute. And I don't throw anything away. I even keep that. Okay, so let's check out our fabric for this month. Oh, this is just beautiful. Look at that. Oh, and oh my goodness, what is this in here? It's, oh, remember how I read about the hidden fox? There it is. Hidden fox. I don't know if I see one on here, but I do see one there. Look at that beautiful polka dot. Can you see the little fox? See him? He's hiding in there. Beautiful fabric. And here's the gold tone with some with a gold metallic stripe. I love that. Oh, and I'm so happy. Look at, I got the little sheep. Oh my goodness, and it has a little barn. How beautiful is that? Ooh, I'm off camera. Sorry. Love that. Oh, I don't even, like, I have all this fabric they keep sending me, and I'm kind of like, I don't even want to use it. I keep being like a hoarder because I don't want to cut it and, you know, make something that, you know, I don't know what to make. I'm so excited. So maybe this will be the thing. This is a huge panel, and I know I'm never going to get all this into the camera, so I apologize for that. And look at it, has all these little quilt squares. This is my happy place. Bless this nest. Let's stay home. There's so many panels. Welcome. Live simply. Oh, I love the rain boots. Let me open this. This is huge. This is a whole yard. And along the edge here it says blessed, grateful, thankful. Oh, I think I can do this one. Here is how to do it, and they are going to provide us with directions with a YouTube video, and I'm a visual person, so that helps. So you can either make a quilt with this, or you can make pillows. So that's fun. Oh, I love this. Home sweet home. Choose happy. Good morning. And I can't see that one because it's over here. Good morning. But this is beautiful. I love this. I love when it's kind of like a kit sort of thing, like that little kit that they included. So this again is Riley Blake Design, pattern SP8267, Fox Farm by Melissa. So you can go to RileyBlakeDesigns.com, or look at all the little colored foxes with all the little colors on it. And or you can go ahead over to the quilt shop, Creative Notions quilt shop, sorry. And you can order this. You can order things right through them. They also do quilting as well. So if you're a quilter and you make your quilts and you don't like to do the whole quilting part, they have long arm quilting that they do. So look at how cute this is with all this fabric and how everything color coordinates, and you guys do a wonderful job. And please, if you can, please help them out. Help them out by going over, check out their store, and subscribe. I mean, what if you've got nothing to lose, because look at all the wonderful things they sent this month with a cute little quilt. Look at how busy I'm going to be. And then when you're done doing all of your sewing, go ahead and get yourself a nice little relaxation bath bomb, and some little taffies too, which putting them right back up there. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I am always so excited to see what the wonderful people over there at Vicki and the gang at Creative Notions Quilt Shop, what they have and they put together for us. It's just wonderful. And thank you so much, everyone. And please go ahead on over and support them. They're a home-based business, so don't go to those big box stores. Help the people that have small businesses, because they need our help. They need our help to stay in business. Oh, and let's not forget this. I have this on the side too. They provide these boxes, and they put a lot of work into it. And it's very exciting to receive something in the mail other than those darn bills. To open something up like this and put a smile on your face, I mean, really, we all need to treat ourselves. So please consider subscribing. And if you do, make sure you mention my name, Susan Timchack. So thank you, everyone, for joining me. I hope you have a great day, and happy sewing. Bye-bye for now.